Talofa Lava. My name is Sinuodoa Janet Taurili. I am 14 years old. I go to Bingham Middle School in Independence. I'm an 8th grader. I play track, volleyball, and I'm also doing basketball this year. I am the granddaughter of Sininivi and Sinuodoa Taurili. I am the daughter of Leotongi Taurili and Richard McCullough. I am so grateful to be running in the 2018 Tasala pageant, and I'm so grateful for you guys to be watching today. Thank you.